I don't want to retire from my life. I want to build a life I don't need a vacation from.
So there's a brand new way to make money nobody knows about. And when I mean nobody, I mean nobody. And it's pulling me in $200 to $400 a day or more. But do you want to know? Yes or no in the comments. But before you say no, do the math. $200 a day, one sale a day. It's an affiliate program called the Easy Phone Money System. Pays out $200 commissions per sale. I promote it posting faceless videos. $200 a day, $1,400 a week, that's an extra $6,000 a month. 2 sales a day, an extra $12,000 a month. I show you the exact videos I'm posting and how you can do it too. Guys, watch the short 9-minute video of the Easy Phone Money Affiliate System of how it works and how to get started, and then direct message me here on this account. I check it several times a day. Go do it. Go to the link in bio and feel free to DM me if you have any questions or don't know how to get to the bio. I got you. Check it out. You're welcome. Wait, I can do that better. You're welcome.
Are you building a life you need a vacation from or one you don't want to escape from? If you want to do the latter, check the link in my bio and watch the free video